Hello. Today's video will discuss how to add inventory to your website using the Quick Add feature. This is one of a series of 5 videos. This is the second video in that series that will show you the Quick Add feature, which is also adding a vehicle through the year, make, and model decode process. So we previously discussed how to add a vehicle through the 17-digit VIN decoding. Here is an alternative way to add inventory to your website if VIN decoding is not your preferred way or if it's simply not an option. Click Add Inventory and then choose the Quick Add option, where you'll use the drop-down menus to select the year, the make, and you can simply start typing on your keyboard to drop you down to the make you're looking for, and then the model. And then click Search, and that will provide you with the style and trim options based on the year, make, and model selections you have indicated. So today I will choose the Street 750, 2020 Harley-Davidson Street 750, and I'll select that by clicking the green Create button. That will add this vehicle to my website. Additionally, anytime you decode a vehicle through any of the 5 options, it will provide you with specifications, stock photography, and vehicle descriptions as available. It will also normalize the name, so we'll now have Harley-Davidson instead of Harley or Harley-Davidson, street, and a display name. All of these are eligible to be modified. Additionally, you'll have the provided descriptions. The factory colors are now populated with the available factory colors for that particular year, make, and model. And then the base MSRP is provided. Again, every feature here is editable after the decoding has been completed. So if I wanted to choose a different MSRP, I'm capable of doing that. If I wanted to type over the descriptions, I can do that. When I click Save, I can also view the specifications that were imported through the decode by clicking on Equipment and Standard. And these will show you the descriptions available for that particular model. It will also show you images by going to the image selection. You can see all of the stock photography and lifestyle shots provided for this particular model. I can choose to modify these by deleting some. I can rearrange the order by dragging and dropping. I can restore the edits that I've made to put back all of the stock photography if I've made a change. I can also add from additional vehicles or upload existing images if I'd like to add to those. And then when I'm done, I'll simply save my arrangement. So that's how you add a vehicle using the year, make, and model option. This is the preferred option if this VIN number is not a valid VIN number or a valid 17-digit VIN number. If you'd prefer not to use VIN numbers on your website, or if the vehicle that you're adding simply doesn't have the VIN pattern provided in our database yet. This is true for much older models. It's also true for brand new models as we're adding those features in. So new model releases are typically decoded or added to the website using the Quick Add feature, which is the year, make, and model.